Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Yeah, guys, it's been a while without recording a video. So today is USD CPI. We're gonna be trading this thing around 3:30. Without wasting any more time, guys, let's jump right into the chart and analyze and see which direction we'll be taking, guys. So this chart here, it's US 30. Let's analyze it. As you all know, guys, each and every time before I analyze the chart, I specify my highest zones and the lowest zones. So basically, where the market started to give me a big movement, I'm going to create that as a zone. So here's the first one. This is the lowest, and here's the highest. I'm just gonna go with it from weekly time frame. So this is on a weekly time frame. As we can see here, we are basically ranging around a specific zone here. So we haven't seen a breakout on that zone. So basically, I'm going to leave that here as a zone, put this one as well. We saw a big movement from this side up until there where the market stopped basically. So I'm going to put another one here. I don't want to put a lot of zones here so that you guys can see how simple this thing is, guys. So we have another zone here as well. I'm going to put another one here. So this basically helps us to identify our entries and exit points basically. So I think that's it for uh, week one zones. Let's go to the lowest time frame, which is the D1, and see what we are missing basically. So I'm just going to adjust this thing to go to higher a little bit because yeah, we see this zone basically changing from this side. So we saw this thing right here on a weekly time frame. We identified our zones. I don't think I'm seeing any other zone that I missed basically. I think there's another one here, but yeah, we're still a little bit far from that. So I'm just going to specify that. It's just going to make our charts to be having a lot of lines. So I think that's basically it. From here, what I'm going to do, guys, we're still having this channel here, the trend line go broken. So the trend line has been broken. It's been a while. We've been eating with this trend line. We saw it breaking out. If you follow this channel, you know that we saw the trend line breaking, came back to retest. Right now, we are already seeing the market trying to go to the upside. But nonetheless, we need signals basically for today's trade, guys. We can't say it's a buy just because of this trend line has been broken. We are still on a D1, guys. Let's go down with this and see what else do we see on the chart. What else do we see on the chart, guys? Basically, when it comes to the D1, I'm seeing this channel basically forming at the moment. So there's a channel here. I think I can call this thing a triangle because I can even start it from here because the big movement for this triangle basically started here. So we can start it from here. I'm seeing it is coming back from inside the trend that we just used. So this triangle basically has a bias of breaking to the upside or a downside. So it doesn't matter where you are when it comes to this kind of triangle. It's a wedge basically. So if it breaks to the upside, so basically, let me just delete this. If it breaks to the upside, you know how I calculate my TPs. We do it like this, and then that's basically where the TPA will be. So if it breaks to the upside, but nonetheless, we don't see that at the moment. There's no breakout, there's nothing. And how many times have we touched on the upward, guys, on this trend? So I think we only touched it like two times. So already we are coming for the third time. So this is one. So maybe I can just make it to come back like here, and then this, when it's like this, it means it's giving you a breakout here, guys. So but nonetheless, I've been seeing this level being touched a lot of time, guys. So let's see which level is this one. Look at this level. It's the level that we specified on the on our D1, I mean on a weekly time frame. So this is the major key area that we need to basically make sure that before we take our trade, we need to make sure that that area is given much attention. We need to understand what's happening in this area. So we'll understand what's going on in this area if we go on a lower time frames, guys. So the lower time frames basically will give us a direction based on this. So we're still on a D1. We're seeing a breakout. If I adjusted this thing, we're seeing a breakout. And if I say, I told you that if I see a breakout from here, we're going to see our first TP coming to this side. But yeah, nonetheless, this is not a signal yet. We need to understand what's happening, because this key level has not been broken. This key level has not been showing us bullish momentum at the moment, because if it was broken, if this bar, yesterday's bar, because this is D1, if yesterday's bar basically closed above here and we are seeing this one playing above here, then I will know that we are basically continuing to move to the upside. But right now we don't see that. We don't see a breakout to the upside. We don't see a breakout to this major key resistance level here. So we need to go to our lower time frame and see basically what we can see there. I think we're also seeing this here being our supply zone basically. So this, I'm just going to draw it like this. So basically this is our supply zone, guys. We need to, I think I'm seeing a huge sell basically based on these zones here. I'm seeing a huge sell. We I think we've been given a fake out here, so we might see the market continuing to go up until this supply zone here, and then from there, when it's time for news, we're going to see a great reversal to the downside. And to the downside, we are going to be looking at let me see if I calculate the TP for this. You can see where the uh, where my supply zone is starting. The breakout from there, we are going to see this thing coming back to the major key. Um, this is our TP. Look how it comes and matches the what do we call here? It comes and matches the bigger trend here, the one that I drew on H1, I mean on D1. So yeah, basically, if we don't break out this line and start playing above this on our D1, H4, and H1 time frame, then I'm seeing a sell. I'm seeing a sell here. I think we're going to break out and come back to retest this supply zone here, and then we'll continue to move down basically. So this, I'm taking it as a fake out basically. So we see, most of the time when I see this kind of fake outs, because they break out, come back and retest quickly. It broke out, came back and retest quickly. Right now is moving to the upside. So trying to get people to open buys there. So if I caught this trade here, of course I was gonna open buys here and move to the upside with it. But yeah, let's go to the lower time frame. So the lower time frame, as you can see, um, our supply zone is still there. We just need to make sure that we refine that level. This is where our entries, our sell entries is going to be, guys. So this is the signal US30. I'm seeing a sell basically. Let me just write it down here with the text. So this is the zone that we need to start selling, guys. So we need to start selling on this zone. We need to start selling on this zone. So this is the zone. This is our supply zone here. And yeah, I mean, that's basically what I'm seeing at the moment. I'm just going to go down with it a little bit and see exactly what else do I see basically. So if we're seeing something like that, basically, guys, yeah, we're seeing this kind of little bullish flag here. So this bullish flag, it was a consolidation. We are seeing a consolidation. This is a consolidation, and this consolidation looks bullish, guys. So the reason why I'm saying I'm looking for sells on this level is because this consolidation still looks bullish. I think we can still push up until this level before we start going to the downside. So that's basically why I'm saying we are going to see a sell from there. So if I can put it like this here, we're seeing this bullish flag. We can call it a bullish flag, or we can call it a rising wedge, and we know that the rising wedge is a bearish pattern, guys. If it's a rising wedge, then this flag here will turn into a bullish, I mean a bearish pattern here. So that's basically what I'm seeing here. If we see this thing, we might come back, retest here, go up, up until we meet this level, and then we can go to the downside. I don't think CPI will basically make us break this supply zone here, because this is very strong. This level is very strong. If you can see, even the bullish flag is basically making it touch that one here. So I think that's basically my trading plan when it comes to this. We'll wait for this bullish flag to if half past 3 right now is like half past 12 right now. If around 2 3 we are seeing the market basically playing around this bearish flag. This is let me call it a rising wedge. So a rising wedge always has a potential of breaking to the downside. So let's wait for the rising wedge to break to the downside basically. So let's see how it goes. So this is a rising wedge. We'll be breaking to the downside. This is where I'll be looking for my sales. I don't know where my text is. Okay, there's my text. So this is where I'll be looking for my sales, guys. So today is going to be hectic. We're looking for sales on this level. We're looking for sales on this levels. Sell on this level. This is USDT. Basically, that's what I'm seeing on USDT. Uh, Let me jump into gold as well. Let me jump into gold, because on USDT we're already seeing this. So yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing. I'm gonna jump into gold and see if we can see something basically. So same thing on gold. I'm going to start it from specifying the highest time frame. I mean the lowest point and the highest point. Here's the first one, and then here's the second one. So we're going to use this one basically for on gold. I hope you got everything that I just said on USDT, guys, because that's the trade setup. Yeah, I'm going to be sending a signal if anything changes on my Telegram group. I'm gonna leave the link below, guys, if you wanna join the free signal group that I have created. So I had a lot of people asking me why don't I create a Telegram group or a signal group. So I've got it right now. Opened it for you. It's free of charge, no payments. So you can just click the link below. So while I'm basically um, identifying my zones, so this is the last one here. You can just click that link and join my Telegram group. I'll be sending signals if anything changes. So I'll go to the lower time frame basically on gold. So on gold as well, I'm seeing the same thing that I saw on USDT basically. So we saw this bigger channel there being broken out. It's been broken out. We tried to reach the TP. We haven't reached the TP. So you don't remember the top of the wedge um, is the TP of that specific trade. So we saw a breakout, and then we've been going up ever since with gold. So we haven't reached that TP. So, but nonetheless, we're not trading for that at the moment. We want to set up for CPI today. So I'm seeing a breakout here as well. But yeah, doesn't look good. I'm just gonna leave it. So far I can't see much on gold, guys. I can't see much on gold. But let me go to the lower time frame, which is H4. So H4, what I'm seeing right now is that because we are basically ranging below this line here. So remember these lines, we put them on a weekly time frame. So meaning if it's our support and resistance, it's going to be turning into a very, very serious one because we got it on a higher time frame. So we need to look at this level, guys. So right now gold is playing below this level. If gold is playing below this level, meaning I'm also seeing a sell on gold. So we are seeing gold playing below this level. If gold comes and break out to the upside and start playing around here, we're gonna expect a buy. But right now, at things stand, we're expecting a sell for gold right now. I think we might see a little pullback to the upside before the news, and then we're gonna continue going down. So our first TP for gold should be somewhere here. So this is our first TP for gold. We're gonna be going somewhere here. So that's basically what I'm seeing when it comes to gold, guys. So mark this level is 1877.48. So that's where your selling opportunities are going to start when it comes to gold, guys. So selling opportunities come this side for gold. So I hope you guys see all of this. So this is the selling opportunity for gold. So that's basically what I'm seeing right now. If I I see this is basically a falling wedge. The gold is basically forming some consolidation basically. So, but yeah, no, I can't say it's a falling wedge, guys. So, nah, it can't be a falling wedge. So this is a consolidation. I might draw a box in here just to show that this is a very, very good consolidation for gold. It's been dropping, it dropped, consolidated here, now it's dropping, now it's consolidating. So right now we're expecting the third drop. So we always drop 3 times in a row. So we drop, consolidate, now waiting to drop for the third time before we do a reversal. So right now this consolidation box is basically like this. So that's basically how I see it. So we're looking at this consolidation box here. So this consolidation box is giving us our selling opportunities. It's either you sell your positions here or you sell it from this level here. But yeah, uh, nonetheless, our entry point for gold should be here. So we need to be careful when it comes to this one as well. I see we saw a breakout to this neckline here, and then we saw a breakout. Right now we consolidate into that neckline. So right now we even broke out, created another one, we broke out. So that's why I say our major key resistance is here at the 877 1877.48. So that's basically where our key resistance should be. So guys, nonetheless, gold, I'm seeing a sell as well. So I'm just going to take out this for now because we're saying we need to sell from here or here. So basically that's basically what I'm going to do. But yeah, when the market comes, if it's 1 o'clock and gold is here, I'm going to sell. So that's basically my signal. Sorry guys about that. So this is the signal for gold. I don't know how long is this video. I don't know which other pair should I analyze. Okay, guys, so let's do it like this. If you want me to analyze any pair, right, just let me know on the comment section, or you can just come back and use that link basically to join my telegram group, and then you can ask questions there before the news. So basically, if gold we see a breakout from here, is either we turn from this side or we're gonna come to this TP. As you know how we calculate our TP, start off the thing and then you bring it there. So that's basically it from my side, guys. Hopefully we will kill US 30, we'll kill gold together. Let's see, here is US 30. We're still looking at US 30. I'm expecting US 30 to just continue to go up at the moment. If I see US 30 coming to this zone, I'll be happy before 3:30 because I know that we'll be seeing a huge, huge sell. So right now, gold CPI is waiting to drop. Let me see, German 30 as well. We're gonna be analyzing this. I'll analyze this aside basically, guys, because I don't want to make this video long. I'll just send setups on the group. I'll also analyze USD JPY for those who want to trade pairs. There's also gold there for those who want to trade pairs. So basically, guys, I don't want this video to be long. So yeah, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and yeah, guys, I'll see you on another video. Thank you. Bye bye.